Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another video on the channel. In this tutorial video, we're gonna look at Spotify can't play right now problem. If you are also facing the problem that you are not able to play any songs on Spotify, then I'm gonna show you a couple of fixes that you can try out. But before that, make sure you are subscribed to our channel. Also, give this video a like and also turn on the notifications so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming videos. So the first thing you can try out is try to uninstall the Spotify application on your device and try to reinstall it. Sometimes a simple solution like this can also fix such problems. These kind of problems occurs due to some kind of bug in your system. So if you uninstall and reinstall it, it could possibly solve this problem. Another thing you can try out is in the home screen of your Spotify, go to your profile, then go to settings. Now from here, under audio quality, you can see if your audio quality is kept at high. If it is kept at high, make sure it is kept on automatic. This way it will only play the quality of the audio that your internet allows or your system allows. The last thing you can try out is click on the three lines located on the top left. From here, click on view and uncheck hardware acceleration, and this should help you to solve your problem of the song playing. So I hope you guys found this video to be helpful. If you guys like this video, then give this video a like, and we will be soon back with more videos such like this. Thank you for watching.